Hey Outdoor Nation, what's going on? Today, one of my viewers sent me hot dog roasting sticks and they would like me to test them out. And I thought, sure, why not? So I'm here today and we're gonna roast some s'mores and cook some hot dogs. So let's get right into it. Let's get wild. Hey Outdoor Nation, these are all the s'more roasting sticks and we're gonna start with the basics and head all the way to quite some fancy roasting sticks. First of all, we have our ones that you could buy at like Walmart or Meijer. Pretty cheap, they work. And we'll see if they hold up to the test. Next, we have these sort of nice ones. You could probably get them from Meijer, someplace like that. What I like is they have little guards so you don't poke yourself, and it's extendable. Next, another thing you could probably get at Meijer or somewhere is another one. I like that this one has guards too. It's very wide. So I don't know how that's gonna work with hot dogs, but you could definitely stick a ton of s'mores on here. And it extends and you can rotate. I love these. These ones are great. I have these. And now we're getting into the real fancy stuff. This thing is super cool. It extends and it's got these hooks. I've never seen this, but I think it'll hold up. And guess what? If you reel in, it rotates the rod. I think that's a good feature. This is S'more to Love Roast and Reel, and it's a really well thought out design. I love the whole thing. It's got a great handle, although I do like the wooden handle on the other one better. And so what I like is how they designed the end of the stick so that it pries out so it sticks to your marshmallow. But then again, it really helps for hot dogs too. When you turn the reel, it actually spins it, so you don't have to flip around, adjust with your hands, because, I mean, come on, who likes doing that? And then it's collapsible. That's awesome, because the other one just takes up a ton of space. And next, we got something where you could cook like a ton of s'mores or like a couple hot dogs. It's like these are like fishing poles. This one, you could get a whole meal out of this, just this. This is the fire fishing pole. First of all, it's well built and it's pretty stiff. I don't think you're gonna be breaking this anytime. So it's like that thin of metal where you can just bend it. But then it's got a really nice wooden handle, and it has a feature where it can flip the skillet sort of thing, and it's a great feature, but sometimes it gets stuck. That's pretty much all for this. It's a basic concept, I'll say. Okay. Now, we got the family together and we're gonna test these. In order to cook s'mores and roast hot dogs, you gotta start the fire. There we go. Another one. There we go. And that, my friends, is how you start a fire. Should I cook one? How's the hot dogs doing, everybody? That looks like you got a nice one.
Yeah, looks like yours is good. Al, how's your hot dog?
Good.
I like that I don't have to have my faces on. In fact, I could almost pull the chair.
What I will say is this is quite heavy.
Quite heavy?
Yeah, mine's quite heavy.
One of your hot dogs over. How do you get the other side? Yeah, how do you get the other side?
Yeah, that's not that's
The downside of that one. You can rotate.
Mine has no problem rotating.
With marshmallows on it now?
ooh, nice and crispy.
I'm gonna hit that.
Dang it, I can't get to the other side. That's my problem.
It looks cool. It definitely looks cool. Maybe the cool practice.
Yeah, I can do this. Mom,
I'm trying to.
You know why? Because I like the crispy chocolate. Okay, who wants mine? You can have a turn at it.
More hot dogs.
So out there, nation, the question you've all been waiting for. Are the hot dogs good? These are charred and crispy. I mean, that's just how I like them. You don't have to cook them as well as me, but this is great. The inside is very well done. I'll say that. The skin is charred, but I'm used to it. It's really good. So, Griff, how's your hot dog? Good. Good.
and I do like how this thing rotates.
Uh-oh, you got the button.
So we put some color packet thingies in there. They just turn different colors and you can see little blues and purples in there. What I wanted to show you is how the fishing rod s'more roaster, it flips. Tilts it to the side and it flips. That way you can flip it without having to touch it. So, Outdoor Nation, to finish it off, I'll say these two were definitely my favorite. And what I love about this one is you can put so much stuff on it and you can flip it. It's not wanting to do it. And what I like about this one is I have a wood chip on it, and because you can rotate it. But the other ones are just fine. So if you get those ones, it doesn't really matter. If you get a roasting stick, it should be good. Because every roasting stick I've had is super good. But I will say, these are really nice, but they don't match with whittling a stick and using that. That's my favorite way to do it. Because then if you do like pine, you get some pine juice in it. It's great. And Outdoor Nation, don't forget, get outside. See y'all next time.